number 291, question number 14. Now इसमें बहुत सारे adjustments हैं और interesting adjustments हैं. This is also help you to revise the hidden adjustments of final accounts. So please pay necessary attention. From the following information of Pankaj Sports Club, prepare an income expenditure account for the year ending 31/3/2015 and balance sheet as of that date. Receipt and payment account given, again printing mistake in the headings, change it. Now opening balance is given, bank balance. Subscription is given, income of entertainment income. Now interest on 12% investment 15,000. It's a very important adjustment. Market. Very important adjustment. Now ये adjustment क्या है मैं बाद में तुम्हें पूछूंगा. Donation 25,000 plus CF. Entrance fee. Now is there any adjustment for entrance fee? If nothing is given, what is entrance fee? Income. Sale of old newspaper income. Salary expense, rent expense, stationery purchase expense, but there is an adjustment in that, so you just take over there. Purchase of sports equipment, asset, sundry expense, 12% bank deposit. Purchase of sports equipment, asset, sundry expense. Now 12% bank deposit. By 12% bank deposit, यानी हमने ये deposit खरीदा, तो it is our asset और उसमें percentage है और date भी है, so there is a hidden adjustment. So tick. Expense of entertainment program, expense closing bank balance, asset. Now adjustments very interesting. There are 300 members of the club. Each member pays annual subscription of 750. Very important. We'll do working for it. Opening capital fund is of 3,28,500. So already opening capital fund is given. Outstanding salary on 31/3. So take salary please. Then we have two. So take it twice. Opening and closing for previous year and for the current year. Opening stock of stationery was 1,250 while closing was 1,875. So stationery purchase already we have taken it. Okay. Then value of sports equipment was 1,25,000 on 1/4/2014 while 1,75,000 on 31/3/2015. Very important. You can see purchase of sports equipment. To take, there is a fantastic adjustment. Now, are you all ready with the format? Okay, great. Now let's start with the sum. ध्यान देना please. Lots of adjustments. Now, सबसे पहले we start with subscription. And subscription is one of the most important adjustment over here. By subscription, 2,21,250. Now, outstanding of the previous year is 2,250 minus outstanding of previous year 2,250. Now current year subscription we have received 2,17,500. So there is no problem with that. यही साल का membership और subscription है और यही साल हमें मिल गया. Now next year के लिए कितना मिला? 1,500. So minus advance in current year for the next year 1,500. Second effect. It is not our income, it is our liability. So advance subscription 1500. Then subscription is not over. Very important adjustment over here. ध्यान दो. Working note for subscription. ध्यान दो. How many members are there? 300. Total subscription should be, we should receive how much? 300 members into rupees 750, which comes to how much? 225,000. यानी पूरे साल में मुझे 2,25,000 मिलना चाहिए. All of you understood this. पर ये साल मुझे कितना मिला? Minus received. How much I received in the current year? 2,17,500. You understood this? पूरे साल 300 into 750 मिलना चाहिए. But how much I have received in the receipt payment? You can see 14, 15, 2,17,500. Can you see this? Yes. So, how much is yet to be received or outstanding? 7,500. All of you understood this? Now, 7,500 is plus outstanding of current year. Working note say 1. Give it 1. 7,500. Outer column 2,25,000. Please do the working. Very important. You can do it in the textbook. If you will not do this working, your answer will be wrong. Give the second effect. Income of entertainment program by income of entertainment program 50,000. Interest on 12% investment 15,000. By interest on 12% investment 15,000. They have marked it as adjustment. It's some information hidden over here. What's the information? क्या इंटरेस्ट 12% इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करवानो ना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सी यहाँ पे द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज कैंसिल कौन होता है तो मैं यूज करने के लिए यूज भी नहीं कर सकता. नाउ ध्यान दो. ये जो 15,000 है ऐसा दिया है 12% के हिसाब से 15,000 ऐसा लिखा है फॉर द फुल ईयर. इट मींस देयर हैज टू बी इन्वेस्टमेंट, देन ओनली देयर विल बी इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो दिस विल यूज टू फाइंड आउट द अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. अंडरस्टूड दिस? सो इफ आई इन्वेस्ट 100 I get rupees 12. So if I am getting 15,000, how much should be my investment? Understood this? Understood this? How much? 1,25,000. 1,25,000 is your hidden amount of investments. Because now you may say कि सर ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना इसको इस साल के एंड में बेच दिया. हो सकता है ना, तो फिर बैलेंस शीट में आना चाहिए नहीं, पर यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया नहीं है. And that is why we have to find the amount of investment, otherwise your balance sheet will not tally. Next, donation will be added to capital fund 25,000. So capital fund opening balance 3,28,500 plus donation amount is 25,000. Entrance fee by entrance fee 5,000. Sale of old newspaper 1,500. By sale of old newspaper 1,500. Salary to salary inner column 1,62,500. Now in salary we have adjustment, outstanding salary in the beginning or of the previous year, so we have to minus outstanding of previous year is 12,500. Then outstanding of current year is plus outstanding of current year 18,750. What's the amount? 1,68,750. Give the second effect of outstanding salary. 18,750. Next, rent and taxes. To rent and taxes 22,500. Stationery purchase. Now in stationery, we write the heading stationery consumed. You know the formula for this? Stationery consumed का formula पता है? We did it. We have done it. Yes, we have done. Opening stock plus purchase minus closing. So opening stock amount is 1250 plus purchase amount is 11,250. Total is 12,500 minus closing stock 1,875.
1,0625.
Second effect of closing stock of stationery balance sheet asset. Closing stock stationery 1,875. Purchase of sports equipment. Now in sports equipment we have the opening balance. So let's write that. Sports equipment opening balance is 1,25,000 plus purchase. We purchased how much? 75,000 on 1/10/2014. Do the total. So 2 lakh. We also have closing. What is the closing? What is the closing? 1,75,000 So 1,75,000 is the closing. So what is the difference? It is depreciation. So balancing figure. All of you understood this? Opening balance was 1,25,000. We purchased 75,000 का sports equipment. So 2 lakh होना चाहिए, पर है कितना closing value? 1,35,000. So the difference is depreciation. Now you will say कि sir ये sales भी हो सकता है ना? ऐसा ना दिया कि ये depreciation है. ये sale भी हो सकता है ना, पर ये sale क्यों नहीं है? कौन बताएगा मुझे? ये सेल इसके लिए नहीं है बिकॉज रिसीव पेमेंट दिया है. अगर ये सेल होता तो यहाँ पे रिसीव में आ जाता. This is how you have to match. You understood? This is how your logic works. Is this clear? All of you. That is why it is our depreciation. फिर से एक बार भी पता चल गया? पता चल गया? Great. Now, second effect of depreciation to depreciation on sports equipment. 25,000. Interesting. Sundry expense. To sundry expense. 30,000. 12% bank deposit. 62,500. Our asset. 12% bank deposit. There is an adjustment right in the outer column 62,500. Interest separately will show. Now, 12% bank deposit 62,500. For how many months we have kept this deposit? How many months? 3 months. First January. So pura January, February and March. Can you calculate 62,500 into 12% into 3 by 12? 1875. ये हमने डिपॉजिट रखा है तो हमें इंटरेस्ट मिलना चाहिए. So by interest on 12% bank deposit receivable 1875. Second effect, balance sheet asset. Interest on bank deposit receivable 1875. Alternatively, you can even add it up in the inner column. क्या? Okay. अजी नहीं बत यू बहुत बाकी है. Then expense of entertainment program 2. Expense of entertainment program. $26,500. Balance carried down, asset. So 15,000. Yeah, it is mentioned bank balance. Sorry. Amount is 15,000 bank balance. Now, let's go to the adjustments and finish it off. Outstanding stationery, sports equipment, everything done? Yes. Seems good. Try to balance it. Okay, what's the surplus or deficit? Surplus. Surplus, are you sure? Yes. So 2, excess of income over expense. We write in the bracket surplus amount is 15,000. Okay, what's the total? 298,375 298,375 सबको ये फाइन करना तो आता ही है ना ओके which side is more उसमें से जो काम है वो माइनस करेंगे now transfer it plus surplus amount is 15,000 so 43,68,500 does it tally
Yes.
now this sum will not tally if you'll not write investments. You understood this? So investment is the most important part of this sum which was hidden. So please ध्यान देना, be careful. What's the total now? 3,88,750.